Hi guys, it's your girl Tanya once again, and I am back with another video. So today's video, we are going to be doing this eye look that I have done here, and I am going to be using the Melt Makeup Baby Girl Stack. I just got this in the mail today. It is not a new stack. Like, it's been around, but it's new to me because today is the first day I used it. I actually really enjoyed using this stack. I like the fact that it is a stack because it makes it easy to travel, and I like to travel. So if you guys want to see me do this look here, continue to keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said at the beginning of the video, this is the Melt Baby Girl Stack. I've been wanting to get any Melt stack for so long. I wanted the Rust one, and then I saw this one and I was like, this is definitely shades that I love. I love rose golds, I love oranges, I love just this whole stack. So it comes with 5 shadows. It does retail for $58. But what I love about the stack is that it's magnetic. So it's perfect to travel with. Like, this is something that I could easily throw in the bag and not have to worry about it being broken or just taking up a lot of space in my makeup bag. I like to travel, and so when I'm traveling, I don't want to have to carry a big bulky eyeshadow palette. I just don't want to have to do that. So I don't have to do that with this. It comes with a mirror here, which it's big enough to do an eye makeup look, but I probably won't use it for that. The first shade here is Hopeless Romantic. It's kind of like a gold pink shift, because like in camera right now as I'm looking at it, it looks really pink, but when I'm looking at it in person, it looks orange. So it has a shift to it. The next shade here is like a peachy color, and it's called Scamming. That it's really pretty as well. This is a fluorescent orange. It is called Main Squeeze. And these 2 shades right here are the ones that I'm going to be using today, because I want to do something a little bit smoky and grungy. This color here is called Crush. This one is called Breakup. Breakup and Crush look very similar. And I don't know if you can really tell on camera because this one looks a little bit more rustic, but this one is matte and this one is a satin finish. So I'm excited to use that, and I'm probably going to use Hopeless Romantic too. Yeah, I'm excited. So let's just get into the eye look, because I will be rambling on and on forever if you guys let me. You know how I do. Alright, so the first shade that I am going to use is, because I want a real grungy type of look, so I'm going to use this orange color here, which doesn't seem like a good transition color for what I'm doing, but I think it's going to work out. I think it's going to be real pretty. So I'm going to use that there, and I'm going to use a Morphe M516 brush here. And it is a lot of kick up in the pan, which lets me know off bat that it is a lot of pigment in this palette. Zoom you guys in a little bit more. There we go. So to me, it looks a little bit peach instead of orange when it gets on my eye, but it could be how my lighting is making it. Alright, so since I got that crease color laid down, I grabbed the next shade, which is Breakup, which is that matte shade, and I'm just gonna kind of just pat this on with a MAC 217 brush. Alright, so I laid that color down and I kind of smoked it out a little bit, brought it on the lower lash line like I did in the first one on both eyes now. So I am going to go and grab the shade Crush, which is the shimmery shade of that. And I'm going to take my, and I'm just going to put that, it's really great in here. I'm gonna also take a little bit of this shade here, and I'm gonna kind of go down on my lower lash line just a bit, and then I'm also gonna take the main squeeze shade and go down on the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna use that one first. I'm just gonna tap a little bit on that Morphe brush that I was already using. I'm going to grab an eyeliner pencil, and I think I'm going to grab the Urban Decay Starfire pencil. It's kind of like an orangey color. I'm gonna kind of brighten my eye. I'm gonna use this brown liquid gel shade from ColourPop. I'm just going to use this just right here on a little bit of Hopeless Romantic, and just put that in the inner corner of my eye. So like now it looks a little pink. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my eye look, do my brows, slap on some lashes, and then I'll be back to give you my overall thoughts on if I think you should spend your coin on this Melt Baby Girl palette. Be right back. So you guys, this is the overall look. I really enjoyed using this stack. Like the powders were super creamy. They just kind of glided on. They blended wonderfully. It didn't end up looking muddy or cakey or any of that. And it just really was a joy to work with. I really enjoyed, you know, playing with these shadows. It's $58. Do you need this? It depends on, like, if these are shades that you would wear on a regular basis, I would say definitely go ahead and make the splurge. These are shades that I love. Like, I just love these rosy, goldy, warm palette pinks and oranges. I love that. That's my jam. You know, so for me, it wasn't like something that I didn't want to get. And I've been wanting to get the Melt stacks for a long time too, and I just really went ahead and just splurged on it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I love this. Like, it's just amazing. Let's do a little bit of a swatch before we go. So this is Hopeless Romantic, and that's that. And like I said, it kind of gives a gold, but it kind of gives a pink shift too. It's a really pretty dual chrome. This shade here is Gammon, which, like I said, they're super buttery. It's a really nice peachy color. Very, very, very pretty. This next shade here is Main Squeeze, which is that fluorescent orange. And that's that. Next shade is going to be Breakup. And that's that shade there. Last shade is going to be Crush. which is this. So the shades in here are beautiful. I think this isn't gonna be my last stack. It's definitely my first, but it won't be my last. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming back. If you are new, my name is Tanya, and I love to do makeup videos for women over 40 or people over 40. And I do a lot of foundation reviews. You guys, I have a playlist you guys can check out if you're interested. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.